Alright, 66 Mustang. Got the rack and pinion steering in it with the wheel-wood brakes. Getting ready to get the engine put in. Little 289, nothing crazy. Check it, check it, check it. Slick little motor. See how bad we can damage this when we go to put this in.
No, we can't damage it.
I know, we can't damage it. Something always happens though. While we wait, we hydrate.
This calms you down and makes you do things right.
Do it the right way. Otherwise, it's major amounts of stress. So, we just got some welding stuff here. This is like real hot rod stuff. Not doing it the proper way, but it's 289, about to go in. We just stole some motor mount bolts off of the 68 289 over there on the floor. And yeah, just gonna drink a tea. Shout out to my man Pete. And then we're going to get this thing rolling. Let's go. Food for thought. These do not fit. Let's see. Pull this out with one hand. These are completely bent wrong. So power torque sucks. Me and Mark got energy suspension. We had to move them around a little bit. See those in there. Can't get it in focus, but it's in. About to put the water pump on. Gotta get all this paint off of here. A little update here on the 66. Mark is knee deep, well, elbow deep in a door. He himself is the man of the window. Check it out. All the American Auto wire in the car. I mean, this thing's a mess, but it's getting there. Motor is in. Being a bum and watching Mark, we're getting there. This is where we're ending for the day. Mark got a little too lazy.
I put the door locks in.
I put the door
I put the rollers in, the window.
He did.
Put the window.
He did. We just got to put this window in still. It's right there in the back seat. Cool. We're getting there. As I always say. Mark, tell him.
We're getting there.
Yeah,
It's
thanks.
happening.